Hi everyone, it's me, Jesse.
And Paul.
From PJ's Point, and today we are unboxing the Popeye's tackle box season of the Popeye's chicken.
Well, let's take a look inside and see how it looks.
Get yours out, and mine is the kids' meal. And obviously this is very small.
And I have the 3-piece chicken strip combo with slaw and
look at the mini biscuit. Look at the mini biscuit.
And we have refreshing beverages. And we will tell you how they are in a little bit.
And my side.
What do you get for a side?
And my side is mashed potatoes and gravy.
Excellent.
So the sweet heat sauce is very spicy.
I find my spicy chicken to be spicy as well, but delicious.
And the ranch is good. So this is what the mashed potato and gravy looks like, and you have to take the gravy out of the middle and put it all over.
It looks delicious. Can't wait to sample it.
Let's see. The gravy tastes like very good. Yeah, very good.
Okay.
And the mashed potatoes is it's still hot. Sorry, I'll get back to you when it's cool.
So what do you think of the mashed potatoes and gravy?
It's very good.
Does it taste like coleslaw?
It's the gravy tastes.
Now be honest.
Very earthy.
Earthy.
Earthy. So what I mean is it doesn't taste bad, but
does it taste like roadkill?
What?
Or heaven?
Huh?
Does it taste like roadkill or heaven?
In the middle.
Middle?
It tastes kind of like you have a salad with chicken in it, and if the chicken gets kind of like the ranch on it, that's sort of what it tastes like.
Would you rather have a bowl of that or a bowl of boogers? Well, there you go. There you have it. Much better than a bowl of boogers.
Even better than, I'd say it's like, if ice cream was 10, it would be a 6.
Oh, that's not too bad. Considering ice cream is really delicious. The new one is on.
Now Paul is going to taste the yummy mashed potatoes and gravy.
She says it tastes earthy. Does it taste earthy to me?
It tastes good. It tastes good.
Actually, I think it tastes pretty good. It does taste like it's from New Orleans. It's got that Louisiana kind of little kick to it. I'll take a second bite just to make sure.
And the ranch, you have to be very careful when you open it because some got in my eye. Bye everyone, it's me, Jesse, and Paul from P&J